What you eat today could shape how you walk at 80. If you're over 55, stay with me. In the next few minutes, I'll show you one simple food you can eat almost every day to help keep your legs stronger, steadier, and more independent for years to come. Here's a truth most people overlook. Adults naturally start losing muscle in their 30s. By your 60s and 70s, that loss accelerates, especially in your legs. That's why standing up, climbing stairs, or walking across a parking lot can start feeling harder than it should. This isn't just aging, it has a name: sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Research shows it's one of the leading reasons people lose balance, experience falls, and eventually need help with daily tasks. Have your legs felt heavier or shakier lately? Type heavy in the comments if yes, or steady if not. I read every comment and will reply with one tip you can start today. Here's the good news: you have more control than you think. Everyone talks about exercise for leg strength, and yes, movement matters. But almost nobody mentions that your plate is just as powerful as your workout. What you eat can either accelerate muscle loss or support muscle strength. Today, I'll share the number one food to eat most days to protect your legs, how it helps muscles rebuild instead of shrinking, to support foods that boost its effect. By the end, you'll have a simple, realistic plan for any age. Every time you stand, walk, or climb stairs, your leg muscles work. When you're younger, your body repairs that work quickly and comes back stronger. But with age, three things change. Your body repairs muscle more slowly. Low-grade inflammation interferes with healing. Most people unknowingly eat less protein than their muscles need. The result: muscles thin out. Steps feel harder. Balance becomes less reliable. The good news: with the right building blocks, your body can still repair and rebuild. And that starts with one surprisingly simple food. If there's one food I'd recommend for your legs, it's eggs. Not fancy supplements, not expensive powders. Just simple, affordable eggs. Here's why they work. Each egg contains high-quality protein with all essential amino acids your muscles need. The yolk carries vitamin D, choline, healthy fats, and antioxidants. They're easy to digest, important as digestion slows with age. Think of your leg muscles as a brick wall. Protein is the bricks. Eggs supply bricks in exactly the shape your body uses best. 2 eggs provide around 12 grams of protein, a solid start to any muscle-supporting meal. Beyond protein, vitamin D supports muscle and bone function together. Choline helps nerves communicate with muscles for faster, clearer signals. Antioxidants like lutein protect muscle cells from daily wear, the common mistake: eating only egg whites and discarding yolks, where the leg-supporting nutrients live. Unless your doctor says otherwise, eat the whole egg. Simple goal: 1 to 2 eggs, most days, as part of a balanced meal. Scrambled, boiled, poached, pick what you'll stick with. Consistency beats perfection. Protein builds muscle, but legs also need steady energy. That's where oats and whole grains help. Sugary cereals and pastries spike blood sugar, then crash it. Your legs feel that crash as heaviness and fatigue. Oats digest slowly, providing smooth, steady energy. Fiber for blood sugar control, minerals like magnesium for muscle relaxation. Simple breakfast idea: bowl of oatmeal with berries, 1 or 2 eggs on the side. You get protein, fiber, antioxidants, and slow-burning fuel in one meal. Chronic low-grade inflammation acts like rust on your muscles and joints. Colorful foods, especially berries and bright vegetables, are rich in antioxidants that calm this internal fire. They don't cure anything magically, but over time they support healthier tissues and easier movement. Add berries to your oats, leafy greens with eggs at lunch or dinner. This helps protect the muscle you're working to keep. You don't need perfection. You need a repeatable routine. For breakfast, 1 to 2 eggs any style, small bowl of oats with berries, or whole grain toast. For lunch or dinner, protein source: fish, chicken, beans, tofu, or eggs. Colorful vegetables or salad, small portion of slow carb: sweet potato, brown rice, quinoa. Add light movement daily. Short walks, chair exercises, or gentle stretching. Food provides materials. Movement tells your body where to use them. Together, they keep your legs working for you. 1 year from now, you stand from your chair without pushing on armrests. You walk across a parking lot without wondering if your legs will make it. You take stairs because you can. That future doesn't require perfection. It starts with one simple choice, repeated daily: fuel your legs with the right foods, especially eggs. If you have medical conditions or dietary restrictions, check with your healthcare provider before making changes. For most people, these are simple, safe upgrades supporting overall health. What's one change you'll start this week? Type day 1 in the comments and tell me. Eggs, oats, or berries? Hit subscribe if you're serious about keeping your legs strong for life.